20 Halloween are scary, are horror movie theme songs. Halloween takes the cake in building suspense and not relying on special effects to build suspense. It, every 27 years, has a title like some occult secret, and it seems like a journey. The Ring builds on you and seems to indicate presencing. Helen's theme from The Candyman seems sanctimonious. Dracula is a battle. The Babadook is an exploration into something previously used. Now, I haven't seen any of those movies, so I'm just going off of the music here. Psycho is a hunt with traumatic thoughts. I did see that movie, but I'm just going off the music. The Cabin in the Woods is not wanting to be alone and then trying to be. The Nightmare Before Christmas reminds of things and brings in the play like a noble sacrifice. And I've probably seen that movie more than any other Halloween themed show. Stranger Things seems to dominate Halloween when you mix the two theme songs on the low and high frequencies, but is dominated with the middle action. Dark Shadows is like a sneak attack and a prolonged escape. Edward Scissorhands is loneliness trying to reach out. Sleepy Hollow is a triumph over fears. The Witch indicates indoctrination. Jaws is unstoppable. Mama is something big that relates to the small. It follows. Seems like a stranger intrusion or an alien invasion. Beetlejuice sounds like some swamp song. Star Thing, an 80s organized adventure. I don't really remember that movie, but I know I saw it once or so. Corpse Bride is someone having plans for another, which are fulfilled. I don't know how that relates to Nightmare Before Christmas because it's the same producer or director or something like that. But I'm not familiar with the movie, so I can't really compare. But some people say if you like Nightmare Before Christmas, you love Corpse Bride, or the other way around. Nightmare on Elm Street is the confusion between experience and reality. And I know I've seen little clips or references to a lot of these over the years, probably all of them, but I can't exactly identify them all. Now, can I?